My name's Gareth McCafferty. Initially I met me&my wellness. Anthony was doing a seminar in one of our office buildings, and I've always had a bit of trouble with my sleep, just waking up constantly in the middle of the night. About 2 months in, I think it was my second or third session, I wanted to get my weight down and just get my health better. Anthony really held me accountable. A lot of action points to take away. I got my weight down 10 kilos. But it was a good drop too, it was fat. It wasn't like muscle and fat.
My name is Sue. I have a set of food allergies, gluten, dairy and soy. So I was already managing those, but I was still having a lot of problems with energy levels. Walking to the bus stop was a huge effort for me. Just getting through the week was really hard. I'd also started to have some joint pain when I'm walking upstairs, particularly on one knee, and I was just thinking that was just part of the ageing process and there was nothing I could do about that. But through the me&my wellness plan with Anthony, I was able to completely eliminate that now, which is huge. I get to the end of the week and I'm fine now. So that's really a big change.
Those tips and habits that I've picked up from Anthony, it's just normal now, and I just keep meeting him. Meet him every quarter. It's just checking in, see how we're going. Anything else I would like to improve upon, which there always is something. Anthony always has a few ideas, which is great.
Because of my food allergies, I've seen many dietitians, and I've found while they give general guidelines, it's often left to myself to find specific things to eat. But the difference with me&my wellness was that Anthony did a lot of work to find recipes specifically that met my needs.
No hesitations in recommending the team.
If anyone has any health issues, the thing I've really learnt from this is that small changes in diet can have huge impacts. Energy levels, joint pain, many things. So whatever illness or whatever condition you have, your general health, energy level and fitness can be improved, and the best place to start is with a wellness program.